The rain has stopped, but the song is still in the air. Skylark, have you seen a valley green with spring, where my heart can go a journey over the mist, through the fading gray? Tell me, Skylark, where my dreams may stay. Oh, the night is calm and the world is still. The rain has gone, but I feel the chill. Your wings remind me love can fly beyond the clouds, across the sky. I've wandered far, I've loved in vain. I've danced with joy and wept with rain. Yet every dawn your song remains, a tender hope that breaks the chains. Fly high, Skylark, carry my love to the morning sky.